on the roof getting high. Blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high. Live it up till I'm dead.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post weekly with sick content, and I'm out here today with Dylan for another dice video. We got our longboards. Let's go do this.
So the race will be from this mailbox and down this road to see that first white mailbox after the car. There, yeah. Okay. That's where we're going to.
The colony starlight was bright with the last night. Now she's calling. The rules might bend to break, that'll remain hidden like we're throwing down when Mary's away on business. That's hectic, says flower dress, long hair, blurred nights, but we still taking care. We rep the fam. Wake up way too early, get some food and down and dash.
Right now, we're just gonna go to the next neighborhood, and apparently, the sun is on our side. He waved.
Ignorance in my head, fuck whoever you are. I do it for my pole. Blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high. Sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead. Ignorance.
Big decision to make right now. If we continue, we're gonna be back after dark. And if we stop, we'll be safe.
The logical answer here is to keep going. Let's go. Okay, so the further we get from those mountains, the brighter the sun is, which means I think we do have a good 30 minutes left until it's completely dark.
Yeah.
Okay, so we made it to the neighborhood. We're about a couple miles away.
Or there's like a turn at a stop sign we can go, and then another turn at the end. So it's your choice.
I say we just yuck it and go from the top all the way to the bottom.
Okay.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
All right.
Pick up the 750, a dry gym for Fifth Ave liquors. Us kids are waving.
This is steeper than I thought it was. Oh crap! Crap! Dylan, this is way steeper than I thought it was.
Sweeties on the street, sticker slap the fam logo right up on the.
With what little daylight we have right now, the sun is looking like peachy. I'm gonna put the drone up for a couple shots, and then we're gonna finish it off by doing one big slide down, or not slide, big run down the whole thing.
Yeah.
Just to finish off the day, then we gotta go back because it's getting dark really soon.
Yeah, we gotta go back fast.
Ignorance in my head, fuck whoever you are. I do it for my pole. Blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high. Sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead. Ignorance in my head, fuck whoever you are. I do it for my pole. I can't keep up with the tempo. That's right, he's right, alright, let's ride. Now, what you trying to get into?
And
Gotta do it twice.
yeah, we were just saying that we always do something cool and then we don't video it, so we have to video it and then do it a second time. But look at this now. It's getting even more orange. It looks so beautiful. Holy cow. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see. The moon is right there. That looks beautiful. I'm looking at the GoPro screen and that's just blood orange. Or blood red. So it's getting really dark. We came all the way here. So we're gonna go to the top of the hill and just yuck it all the way down, and then we gotta go really quick because it's basically dark. It's all for you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Content's for you, and it's just awesome to make. I hope you guys enjoy.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, now there goes a sight from my soul, there goes a sight from my soul.
All right, there's a little bit to go. A little bit to go and we're almost back.
What
was the video about?
We just went around.
We didn't realize that it was gonna be dark, but throughout the video we were like, oh, it's gonna be dark.
Oh,
but, like,
dang.
It was just scary coming back on the road in the dark.
Why we're
That's why
covering your face and bleeping out everything you say. All right, guys, that's it for the vlog. We got Carson with us. Too bad he couldn't come with us, but
I was busy working, sorry.
he still made it. He made moolah.
So congratulations to Ethan for 100
Yes,
subscribers.
I made it.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks to you guys, and that's it for the vlog. Goodbye, guys. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.
Now there goes a sight for my there goes a